नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आपका दोस्त रोहित शर्मा फिर से हाजिर आपके अपने चैनल रोहित शर्मा ट्रेडर के अंदर। आज हमें मारुति सुजुकी के ट्रू वैल्यू के शोरूम में गुलजार मोटर्स लुधियाना, और इनका काम करने का तरीका बहुत डिफरेंट है और बहुत अच्छा तरीका। यहाँ पे आज हम मिलेंगे मिस्टर कमल जी से, जो यहाँ पे सीनियर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर यहाँ पे तौर पे काम करते हैं। तो ये हमें बताएंगे क्यों इनकी गाड़ियाँ अच्छी हैं, इनकी गाड़ियों में क्यों हमें एक्सचेंज करना चाहिए, यहीं से गाड़ी क्यों लेनी चाहिए। तो हैंड ओवर टू कमल जी। कमल जी,
Welcome, sir. Rohit ji.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
Welcome to the Gulzar Group. So I am here for True Value as a senior relationship officer. We are providing best certified cars to the customer, and in that case, we are giving so much higher type of the varieties with us because we do have a lot of product range as per the customer convenience. So as per the budget needers, we can select them. We can give them each and everything. 11 door store step. We are providing all these facilities in one roof. In that case, so the basic reason is to be we are providing warranties against of the vehicle. So the drilling will be experienced like you are purchasing as a new car in this.
Okay, means new car is equal to old car.
Exactly.
Great.
So old is gold, as you know very well. So the thing is that we having all the product range regarding not only Maruti product, even then we can go through entire brand whatsoever is going on in our India.
It means customer can buy any product from you.
Exactly.
Great.
So the basic reason is to be we can give them a very much lower budget starting segments also, and higher brands with along with coming on this.
ग्रेट सर, बहुत बढ़िया। आइए देखें इनकी गाड़ियों के प्रोडक्ट्स कौन कौन सी और किस तरह मैनेज करते हैं।
That I'll provide you a quick review about the.
ओके, तो यू हैव द रेंज ऑफ कार्स हियर एंड वी कैन सी द कार्स।
So these are the product range which we have right now. Like wherever the vehicle is certified, we are mentioning about the certified vehicles. We are mentioning over here with the number plates.
Okay.
These are the product are certified. If the vehicle is not certified like that, another brand.
Okay.
Like this vehicle comes with the Toyota brand. So this is not a certified, but we are certifying that because we are taking the exchange vehicle against of that.
Okay.
So we are providing our evaluator will evaluate the vehicle with the 372 points they are checking. Then we can
372 points. Great.
yeah. So exactly in that case we are trying to prove that vehicle is able to sold out on the outlet. So
Okay.
another one we having a lot of options on that, like a starting segment which is K10 Altos and other than Swift, Ignis. So these kind of the product, hatchback, notchback, sedans, we are providing them.
A lot of cars are here available for sales.
So customer having a lot of choice against of it because he can settle our budget wherever he can do able to get them.
Means to say, if the customer is buying old car from you, he will get the warranty and free services as new car.
The Maruti is actually providing the vehicle warranties against of that which comes within below 7 years according to the current years.
Okay.
If suppose you are purchasing a new vehicle, old vehicle from us, but the experience will be like that you are purchasing a new vehicle. Against of the warranties, we are providing around 1 year warranties and 3 services along with that.
Okay.
So this is all equivalent of the new vehicle scenario.
Okay, customer have no worry for
No worry,
this car.
peace of mind because he is going to be purchased. Like if some customers coming to us directly might be a first time buyer, so but the experience would be like that he is purchasing a new vehicle.
Is there any finance facility you are providing?
Yes, we do because a lot of finance banks are with us right now, and BFC also. So the customer, it's a part of these things because customer can get them a bit bigger choice also with the help of financing.
Okay. And these cars refurbished or as
Exactly,
it is?
which cars are providing a certified. We are also refurbishing all the parameters what requires on that, like maintenance services, each and everything we are doing on ourselves, and after that we trying to sell them on our particular stage.
ओके, जो लोग मेरे हिंदी समझ रहे हैं उनको समझा दूं कि ये गाड़ी को बिल्कुल तैयार करके बेचते हैं, और उसके बाद में ये गाड़ी जो है अगर मारुति सुजुकी कंपनी की है तो सर्टिफाइड है, और अदर कंपनी की नॉन सर्टिफाइड, बट वो भी रेडी रहेगी गाड़ी।
रेडी रहेगी।
And,
रिफर्बिश हम करते हैं, रिफर्बिश करने के बाद इसको अपने अपफ्रंट के लिए लाते हैं सेल के लिए।
सेल के लिए उसके बाद आती है। ग्रेट। एंड यू यूज जेन्युइन पार्ट्स और इनजेन्युइन कैन वर्क?
Exactly. Where are others brands like Toyota, Hyundai, or other than anybody else. Like,
Okay.
so in that case, we are purchasing the spares from a market.
Okay.
But in other sense, if I'll talk about specific only Maruti product, for that reason we are working on that.
Okay.
So True Value basically is working only for the Maruti product. So in that case, if we are purchasing a above 7-year brand also,
Okay.
in that case we get them refurbished on our particular workshop.
And provide the warranty also.
Exactly. So refurbished by ourselves and with the Maruti genuine parts also.
Okay, genuine parts only.
Yeah.
Great. And what about insurance?
Yeah, insurance is a part of also, because we are providing, actually these vehicles are coming from the exchange basis.
Okay, okay.
So in that case, we are very mandatory about the taking the insurance along with the long selling, purchasing papers, documentations.
Okay.
All are these things are in transparency.
Okay.
So for that reason, we cannot left them that, because if the insurance sometime it happens like the vehicle comes
Without insurance.
without insurance, but we are refurbing in the form of to be selling
Okay.
in our basis also.
And you get insured the vehicle before selling.
Yes.
Great. On what is the benefit of a person who is selling the car to you and for buying a new car?
Mostly people are coming because all the stocks are coming in the sense of exchange only. We are not taking only if customer want to dispose of the car.
You don't
we
buy.
wouldn't be able to that.
Don't buy any
Yes,
product.
we don't buy only the car. We'll take the car with the help of exchange
Okay.
with the new one.
Okay.
So in that case, one of the best surety is that transparency.
Okay.
And other than the customers taking benefit along with the exchange bonus, blah blah schemes whatsoever coming from the Marutis. So customers are taking the benefits, and instead, if somebody is purchasing the existing vehicle, he is also taking the benefits because of we are refurbing all these things are at a doorstep.
Or you may provide or some bonuses etc.
Exactly,
or
exactly. So these are
exchange.
the schemes which are according to the.
So nowadays,
coming.
is there any scheme, another scheme for these cars, for selling these cars?
Actually, in the True Value segment, we are just providing the range according to the customer setup.
Okay, maybe
So-
finance schemes or?
Yes, a lot of type of the schemes coming from the directly by the bankers. They are providing a very much lower rate.
Okay.
Like if you are purchasing in the form of financing, you have to pay just like that you are purchasing a new car, because the new car is rounding 9 to 10% rate of interest are charging right now. So in that form we are providing also, because the pre-owned car normally do financing around 14%, but the thing is that now the scheme is going on with the bank helping, and
Okay.
BFC bankings and other banks are providing very much good schemes on that.
ओके तो फाइनली बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी आपका, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू वेरी मच इंग्लिश में बोले तो।
Alright,
और
thank you, sir.
तो आपने बड़ा अच्छा बताया अपने ट्रू वैल्यू के बारे में, जैसा कि कस्टमर्स देख रहे होंगे जो लोग इसको। तो आपको बता दूं, इस गाड़ी को लेने के लिए आपको आधा से भी कम पैसा देना पड़ता है कुछ गाड़ियों पे, डिपेंड करता है मॉडल कौन सा है। मीन्स आप नई गाड़ी खरीदोगे, पुरानी गाड़ी, इसमें काफ़ी डिफरेंस होगा अमाउंट में, देयर विल बी
बहुत सारा
डिफरेंस।
ऐसा होता है, हमारे पास कस्टमर्स आते हैं जो उनको हम उनके अकॉर्डिंग टू बजट सेटिंग कर देते हैं, बट द थिंग इज कि चाहे छोटी कार है चाहे बड़ी कार है, वो अपने बजट को सेटल करके यहाँ से गाड़ी लेकर ही जाता है। ये श्योरिटी रहती है।
ग्रेट जी, तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी, शुक्रिया
Thank you, sir.
कमल जी, आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा। आप एक्सपर्ट हैं पुरानी गाड़ी में भी, और सुना है नई गाड़ी में भी आपका काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस है।
Yes, sir. I've been worked with the Swanis group also long around 12 years.
ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस, तभी आपसे मिल के अच्छा लगा। आपने बड़ा अच्छा बोलते हैं, स्पीक वेरी वेल इन इंग्लिश आल्सो और हिंदी। एंड तो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी देख रहे थे कमल जी को जो बता रहे थे ट्रू वैल्यू के बारे में। पुरानी गाड़ी लेनी चाहिए तो गुलजार मोटर में लें और उसको एक्सचेंज भी करें, गुलजार से करें, आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होने वाला है, क्योंकि कमल जी वहाँ हमेशा अवेलेबल होंगे सर्विस के लिए।
Right, sir.
और तो जिसने भी इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ना किया वो कर दीजिएगा, लाइक शेयर ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा, और कमेंट ज़रूर दीजिएगा आपको इनके ट्रू वैल्यू और कमल जी के बोलने का तरीका कैसा लगा, और इनका डेमोस्ट्रेशन जो भी ट्रू वैल्यू को बताएं। और धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया, थैंक यू।